Why are the police refusing to release a man who has been granted bail by the court? That's the question from a frustrated attorney this evening who wants to know if the authorities are a law unto themselves. Kirk Wright explains.
Attorney Vincent Leslie is raising concerns because his client, who the court has granted bail on 2 occasions, is still being held by the police.
What it shows me is that the police officer or officers, I'm going to be plural, police officers, a lot of them, they're contemptuous of the courts. And they don't accept and respect orders given by the courts. And this must stop.
Mr. Leslie says police documents show that his client has been charged for being in possession of a fraudulent driver's license after a raid of his house in West Prospect, St. Catherine last Thursday. Mr. Leslie says in court on Wednesday, the judge again ordered that his client should be released, but that the police refused to release the man, and now saying he's been held under the Emergency Powers Act.
As a layman, I'm thinking, in a case like this, if the judge says one thing and the police decides he's doing something else, then the judge should take another action.
Mr. Wright, I agree with you, but in a lot of cases, we as lawyers, we go before the judges and we talk until our throats are dry and they do nothing. You'll find some judges who are very bold and they're unafraid and they'll do what is right and just, irrespective of the circumstances. But I find a lot of these parish court judges, they're weak.
The man's family is now wondering if the police are a law unto themselves.
We want to know what exactly is happening, because if the police is saying that he's not going on bail and the judge has ordered that he is supposed to be immediately released, we want to know, is it that the police has a bigger say than the judge?
The attorney says the different organizations that should be lobbying that the courts be more decisive are non-responsive.
As a matter of fact, I think it is non-existent. It only exists on paper. I was the vice president at a time and I resigned. The Advocates Association and the bar should deal with these issues, but they don't. These things happen daily, weekly, and nothing happens. Nothing comes out of it.
The man will now have to stay in jail until Tuesday to see if he will be granted bail anytime soon. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.